Casting could lead to some showers early next week. Back to you.
Wow, what a difference a week makes.
That is crazy. Rob, thank you very much. Right now, we're about to take a brief time out from the news to bring you a live required test of the emergency alert system. It's the first national test like the one that you're about to hear was done 3 years ago.
That's right. There's no emergency. It's just a test from the government to alert us about an urgent message. We'll be back on the other side of what will probably be a loud tone.
All right, or maybe we did not hear a loud noise, but
I thought we
it was
did.
a test.
I was pleasantly surprised.
All right, we can continue on now with the show. Coming up next, the clock is ticking for high school seniors and their parents.
The changes that are coming to federal student aid applications that you need to know about before it's too late.
All right, let's get you caught up on what's happening right now. We are tweeting out updates to the Loma fire that...
Is a national test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. Broadcast and cable operators in your area have developed this system in voluntary cooperation with FEMA, the FCC, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this national test of the emergency alert system.
Bay Area app at NBC.